T-Mobile versus Verizon versus AT&T, which carrier should you choose? I have used T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T, and the truth is there isn't one carrier that's best for everyone. Each one excels in different areas depending on where you live, how much data you use, and what features matter most. So, if nationwide reliability is your top priority, Verizon still has one of the strongest overall networks, especially in rural areas, highways, and smaller towns. It's the carrier that consistently keeps you connected when traveling outside major cities. AT&T is also excellent for coverage. Its LTE network remains one of the most dependable in the country, and its 5G network continues to expand. In many locations, AT&T delivers very stable day-to-day performance, making it a great all-around choice. T-Mobile offers the largest 5G footprint and often delivers the fastest mobile data speeds, particularly in urban and suburban areas. However, coverage can still be less consistent in some remote locations compared with Verizon and AT&T. So now let's talk about the speed. If raw download speed is what you're after, T-Mobile is generally the leader. Its mid-band 5G network provides excellent performance for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Verizon delivers strong speeds in areas with ultra wideband coverage, but overall it focuses more on consistency than peak performance. AT&T sits somewhere in the middle. While it may not always match T-Mobile's top speeds, its network tends to provide a reliable and balanced experience. All three carriers offer multiple unlimited plans, with single line premium plans generally costing around $90 to $100 per month, especially before discounts. Lower tier unlimited plans are available at lower prices, and family plans offer much better value per line. One thing to remember is that promotional pricing often requires autopay, and taxes or fees may vary depending on the carrier and plan. When it comes to plans and perks, each carrier has something different to offer. T-Mobile stands out with bundled entertainment benefits on eligible plans, international features, and a strong value proposition for families. Verizon focuses on flexibility, allowing customers to customize plans with optional add-ons, perks such as streaming services and cloud storage. AT&T keeps things relatively straightforward, offering generous premium data and hotspot allowances on higher-end plans while maintaining dependable network performance. Now let's discuss the overall customer experience. So, if you spend most of your time in cities and want the fastest possible 5G speeds, T-Mobile is difficult to beat. If you frequently travel across the country or drive through rural areas, Verizon remains one of the safest choices because of its dependable nationwide coverage. If you want a carrier that balances coverage, speed, and pricing without leaning too heavily toward one category, AT&T offers a very well-rounded experience. So, which carrier offers the best value? Choose T-Mobile if you want the fastest 5G network, bundled perks, and strong value for families. Choose Verizon if reliable nationwide coverage is your high priority. Choose AT&T if you're looking for a balanced mix of coverage, performance, and competitive premium plans. And at the end of the day, the best carrier depends on where you live and how you use your phone. Before switching, check each provider's coverage map for your home, workspace, and the places you travel most often. That will usually give you a better answer than any national ranking. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.